Good morning. We're on our way to Epcot. So excited. Woo! The Epcot Ball.
The Epcot Ball.
Our first food in the world.
Impossible short rib.
It's fake meat. Let's try it out. Look at this beautiful view. How is it?
Got all the flavors.
Tastes
really
good?
nice.
Yes.
I don't know how to eat the full shell thing.
It's good. What are we getting in this line?
Very. Sope de chorizo. Or soap de chorizo. I don't know.
Soap. Let's try it out.
So we got the sopa de chorizo with the avocado mousse there. And I got a passion fruit margarita.
Hell yeah.
Hopefully it's good. Let's try it.
We're in Mexico.
You wanna do this?
Ta-da!
Is that school bread? That shit. Oh man. See how soft it is.
How is it?
Oh, it's great. It's really soft.
It looks like a bagel.
It's got coconut, it's got custard.
And it's got Olaf. And we're waiting in line. These little guys, man. We're waiting in line for the Frozen ride. And it already started sprinkling a little bit. We're in Norway. We're going on the Frozen ride. Gorgeous.
Elsa's made a magic winter show this summer snow for spending me and you. We're going up to Elsa's ice palace with you and you, all of you. See you there.
We are in China. Do you want to go in there? China. Woo. So pretty. We're in Italy.
Italy!
Do you want to go? Is it where that ice cream is in Italy?
Maybe. Let's go see. Some, what is it? Gelato.
Gelato. What'd you get?
I got a Bellini.
Bellini.
Prosecco with
In Italy.
peach puree.
Beautiful. I got some Spumoni ice cream. Yeah, 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 yeah. Time to enjoy.
Yep.
And it started pouring down rain.
Florida!
Florida. Yeah, baby. We got some kakigori. We're in Japan, baby. We made it. We made it to Japan, guys. And it stopped raining. Good old,
I hate Florida. It
Good
was
old
raining for like 10
Florida.
minutes.
like pouring
Look at the ground.
for like 10 minutes and now it stopped. So we're gonna eat our shaved ice cream. Do you want us to eat right here? We're in Japan, so excited. Alright, we're in this Japanese store. Can you show my haul?
Yeah.
Here's what I got at the Japanese store. And here's what I got in Japan. I found this very cute purse. Ooh, cute. We got these for the jiggies for our cats. Some little cat bandanas. And I got some incense. Don't get it twisted now. And yeah, now we're gonna get some pork shank here in Japan. Yeah. In Morocco. Yes, Morocco. I am not wrong. It's very pretty. How you feeling? Robert's wasted. More food. We got some lamb curry and a tropical mousse.
I don't even know what food this is.
It looks good. Tell me how it is, baby.
I'll tell you how it is. We don't have a spoon for the mousse.
Yeah, I'll get the spoon.
It's hot. Oh, that's good.
Good?
Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm.
Alright, I'm gonna go get a spoon.
Okay, this is okay. What do you think?
I thought it was okay.
Yeah.
But it's really good.
That's really good. This is really good.
Lamb curry with
Lamb
plantains.
curry with plantains. Yum. So good.
Everybody, we're in the UK now. Check us out. We got the telephone box over there. Let's go get some tea. Tea time, baby.
What a smashing fit birds.
What the fuck are you saying?
That's all I know. That's all I know.
Alright. It's normal tea. Anything you get at the normal shop. I thought it would be something crazy. It's just normal tea. Started raining again.
Yep.
So we found this place. Party. What'd you get?
Strawberry rhubarb upside down cake.
Wow. Good?
Really good.
We are just chilling in here because it is pouring down rain. So we're just gonna take a load off and hang out.
My feet hurt.
Yeah. Bye. Going on soaring around the world. And it's in like a mall. Looks like the mall. Stairs or this? Stairs. Looks so weird.
Feels like we're in a mall.
Looks like a knockoff. Soaring around the world. Soaring. Are you ready to soar?
I realize these lights look like clouds.
Look like what?
Clouds?
Clouds?
Okay, after being delayed for about an hour because of rain and lightning, we're finally on the
Test track ride.
Yeah! We did it! It's one of your dreams!
We're getting on! Oh, so we're back at our hotel and we're at the Dahlia Lounge. I'm very tired. Robert got this drink.
I don't know what it is.
It's this.
Oh, the Espumoso Punch.
Try it. Give it a little sip.
I feel like I should just drink out of it.
Yeah.
I've been drinking all day.
Yeah, this is the most you've drinking like in years.
Yeah.
Good?
I should mix it.
Mix it up.
It's okay. Got it. Oh, what we get?
We got food.
We got food. We got some
croquetas, chicken wings, sandwich, and shrimp. I'm gonna eat now.
Let's eat.
We're here at the rooftop of the hotel. Yay, yay, yay. Make it kiss. Make the heart kiss. Pretty cute.
You see Tower of Terror right there.
That's the Tower of Terror, baby. Say goodnight.
Good night.
Oh, so we are back at the one and only
This isn't Disney.
Volcano Bay. Our favorite place. Woo! So, let's do it. We're at Volcano Bay, baby. Ta-da! Woohoo! Yeah!
What do you got?
Got my tapu. This is so fun! Hello! So we're getting some food.
Do you look darker?
Do you look darker?
Yeah. A little bit.
It's not sunny, it's very overcast and kind of, not like cold. Oh my god.
Yeah, there's just...
I had this menu like under my armpit and that happened. Anyways, so we got here at like 10:30. What time is it now?
It's like 12.
Yeah, so we already rode this ride that we went on last time. That Robert had to go backwards down this like fall, and then they made me go backwards this time, and it was really scary. And then we went on other slides, and we went on the, what is it called? The coaster one, which is our favorite. And we have 30 minutes to get on it again. But we're gonna eat right now because it's like lunchtime. But yeah, super excited. It was great. Alright, that was it. Bye, Volcano Bay.
I'm Volcano Bay.
We had fun.